Hey guys, so today we'll talk about this particular wallpaper which is capable of crashing down your smartphone, especially if it is a Samsung smartphone, because many of these issues were recorded in Samsung smartphone, but other smartphones are also prone to the damage because many Pixel users have also reported this issue. So Ice Universe tweeted that warning, never set this picture as wallpaper, especially for Samsung mobile users. It will cause your smartphone to crash. Don't try it. If someone sends this picture, then ignore it. So many people were thinking this is a joke. So Ice Universe again tweeted that this is not a joke and don't try this. And if there is some developer, we can find what the actual issue is. Then you can check the original image. So the link to the original image will also be in the description. If you have any technical knowledge about the related field, then only go and check the image and be sure that you won't add it as your wallpaper. Then he again tweeted by saying, when I tried to upload the original image which is on the left to Weibo, I found that its color to change and the right one is the changed image. At this time the image become harmless, but when uploaded to Twitter the same original image still didn't change the color. So he is suspecting that it may be the color gamut which is causing the issue, but the actual problem has not been found yet. And how to resolve it, there is no particular solution that you can resolve it by this way, but I'm gonna say you some of the things which you can follow. So there is also this video which shows the issue what you're going to be facing if you try to upload this image as your smartphone wallpaper. So this is also some point to be noted. And here is also another image where someone said that what the hell bro, it's frozen, how to get it back to normal. And there are many other similar issues by many other users which I'm going to post some images on your screen. So now coming to how to resolve this. So there are few ways to resolve this. So if the issue is not seen just after you upload the image as your wallpaper, then you can obviously change the wallpaper. But if you are starting to see this issue, then go to the safe mode and change the wallpaper. And even if that doesn't work, then the only option that remains is the hard reset. And if any developer or any other personality clears the issue and give any other way to solve this, then I will update that in the pinned comment. So you may check the pinned comment section as well if the issue has already been solved. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel. And please don't add this image as your wallpaper, just for experimental purposes as well. So this is all for today. Hope to see you in the next one. Until my next video, peace.